Hi, this is Nkechi from The Vent. I would like to welcome you to The Vent Craft if you're just joining me for the first time. I make it a point of duty in this channel to show you how to make lovely, unique Fascinator designs, as well as tips and tricks in your millinery journey. And I crown it up with some catalogs on new designs I create to increase your creative ability. In this video, I'm going to be answering Allison's question, which says, is there any alternative to the electric glue gun? The answer is yes. There is an alternative to how you can use the candle glue gun without the gun. I wouldn't say an alternative to the electric glue gun, as from our video on the best glue, we came to a conclusion that each glue has its purpose. For the candle gun, which is used in the electric gun, it's used when you need it to glue fast to secure in the right position. Okay dears, enough of the talk. Let's first of all move over to check our winners for our last competition. Our contestants are Ijoma Doris, Miatta Olive, Mabel Kalam, and EJ Pink Pink. And the winner to attend Fascinator Class 1 for free is Miatta Olive. Oh yes, congratulations. So please do send your details to our WhatsApp and we'll ensure that you get to attend the class as soon as possible. One more stop before we dive in today's tip. I would like to thank all my returning subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, you've got to please press the subscribe button and the bell so you are notified of all my upcoming trainings. Now straight into today's tip. To make use of the glue candle gum without electric gun, all you need is a candle and matches and the candle gum, of course. Light your candle on a stand and place the candle gum above the flame or beneath where you have the blue flame. If you place it in the yellow flame, it would burn and leave a black stain on your hat or whatever you're trying to glue. But placing it above or beneath, as I said before, would melt it. You would see it changing color. It becomes very light. Turning it while you burn is a good practice, especially if you have a large surface to glue. Otherwise, just a little part is cool, and then you place it on where you want to glue and close up immediately. That's it. Hope this answers your question, Allison, and any other person who was looking for a workaround. Hope this has answered your question. Okay, so this is me trying to turn it around this time around. You see, that's how you turn it slowly. This is done if you have a large surface area to cover. So you keep doing it till you see it change color and you know you have enough quantity to put where you want to glue, and you put it quickly. Now if you waste time, it won't glue. So you do that quickly and put it together like I'm doing. Yeah, that's it. Now this is what happens if you put it inside the flame. It turns black. Can you see how it's turning black? Now if I'm going to use it on a white cloth, it would get stained. So I've turned it around to do it again, turning it around the way it should be done, not on the flame, or you can see me doing on the blue flame. So that's it. Thanks for watching.